Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. I have 6 kids and a new golden retriever puppy that I adore. And I'm basically just trying to get through this busy life with a little less chaos and a little more clarity. So I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified for all of the fun upcoming videos that I have planned out. I'm super excited about it. So I hope that you will join the family and let's jump right into it. So I went and put in my Thrive order. Actually, it's an auto ship order that ships every month. I love it because I don't have to worry about running to the grocery store, getting all the way there, seeing if they don't even have what I need, and then coming home and still having nothing. I can go right on there and see what I need, make sure it's on there, and have it delivered straight to my door, and I love that. If you're new to Thrive, basically it's just groceries that you can get online. You can make a list, you can do an auto ship, or you can just go and get groceries anytime you want. You do pay a membership fee, but in comparison of all that you save, it's really not a big deal at all. I've saved a lot more than I paid in a membership fee, so I've definitely gotten my money back on that. But what's so cool is if you choose to do the auto ship like I do, then Thrive will email you or text you ahead of time, like a week ahead, I think, and let you know, hey, go check out your auto ship order, make sure everything on there is what you want. If you want to add anything, revise it, do what you need to do before it ships out. You can also skip your order if you don't want anything that month, and anything you want to take off, you can take off. You're not like locked in forever or anything like that. But what I usually do is I will go and check out my order, see if there's anything that I don't really need that month, and then I'll go and look at all the stuff that's on sale, and they have so many good deals, and then I will add those to my auto ship so that I can also get the auto ship discount on that too. So it works out really, really well. So I did that, and if you guys are interested in doing Thrive, if you haven't done Thrive before, I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can go and you can actually save 40% off of your first order if you click on that link. So definitely go and check that out if you like what you see. But I wanted to get on here and show you guys what I got from Thrive. Some things are new, some things were like a really good deal, so I bought them when I don't usually buy them. But they had some really, really good stuff. I cannot have dairy or gluten. I think I say that in the video too. But it works out so well for me because I can get anything that I need to snack on, especially things like breads and things that a lot of stores are kind of running out of lately. And I can get them from there and just get them shipped to me and know that I'm going to be able to have all the things that I need. So if you are interested, stick around and let's jump right into it.
Okay, we have got my Thrive box here, so let's open this up and see what I got. Okay, so put this over here. They always package everything so well. A lot of their stuff was on sale, so I was super excited to try some things that I don't normally get. So, okay, first thing, I got some of this organic Himalayan pink salt popcorn. These are individually packaged, so it was on sale, but I figured this would be something that's easy that I can grab when I need to, just running out the door or something, or if I want a snack. So there's that. Sometimes the deals are really good. Sometimes it's like if you live close to a Whole Foods or a Sprouts or a Trader Joe's, which I live next to all of those, and a lot of times you can find a lot of good organic things at Costco and at Target, sometimes even Walmart, especially gluten-free things. I do know that the Char gluten-free types of breads, they have like hamburger buns, hot dog buns, ciabatta bread, which is this, all kinds of different things. Theirs is really, really good, and Walmart usually sells it, but I couldn't find any at my Walmart. So thankfully Thrive had it, so I did order some of these products, so I'll show you that. But I did get some ciabatta bread for sandwiches and things. I can't have a lot of gluten-free stuff because I have issues with tapioca starch, arrowroot powder, and psyllium husks. So I do have to limit the amount of gluten-free stuff I have, but I am a lot more intolerant of wheat or gluten. So it's like a catch one. Mostly I try to stay with vegetables, fruit, and meats, but sometimes I need my bread. I'm a bread person. So I did get some organic pops. These are the suckers, they're organic. My kids love these and it makes me feel a little bit better that they're organic. Still sugar. We've tried some of those less sugar candies, sweet treats I want to say they're called, and the kids didn't love those, but I have gotten those from here too. We just don't eat a whole lot of candy anyway. So I did get these because when my 3-year-old really needs to like make it an extra half an hour before nap time and he's just not doing well, sometimes I can encourage him a little bit to, you know, stick with me a little longer if I can give him a lollipop. So I also got some veggie sticks. These were one of the things that were on sale. Normally I just buy the veggie sticks from Trader Joe's, or when Costco has a big huge bag on sale, I'll just buy those and my kids will just put it in Ziploc bags or whatever and take those to school. But these are individually packaged veggie sticks and they were on sale for a really good deal. So I decided to buy some of those. So yeah, they could just take them to school for snacks. So I thought that was really cool. So I did get some of those. Let's see what else. Oh, I haven't had some good wild rice in a long time, and I actually haven't made it at home for a really long time. So I did want to buy some. This was a wild blend, and it's all non-GMO, gluten-free and everything. And I just wanted some good wild rice to make. Change up. We eat a lot of the white rice or brown rice, and so I wanted to change it up a little bit. So I did buy some of that because it was on sale. I also bought some sorghum flour. I do have to make my own gluten-free mix of flour so that I can make my own pancakes. I like to make protein pancakes, and since I can't have the dairy and I can't have the tapioca starch that's in a lot of pre-made gluten-free flours, I usually make my own little mix. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to share my recipe with you. Then I'll just add some pea protein to it and I'll make pancakes for myself. That way I'm not eating the gluten-free stuff that I'm not supposed to really be eating. But sorghum flour is one of the flours that I can have and put in it in one of the mixes. So I bought some of that because I ran out of that. What did I buy here? I got some Meyers soap. I love the Meyers soap, and I just buy the refills so that I can keep refilling all of the bottles around the house. I pretty much use the same ones on everybody's bathrooms, on every sink. So I just buy something I can go around and fill it all up with. So that's that. This is another one of the char items that I pick. If you watch my Trader Joe's haul, you'll see that I got some pizza crust that I make a pizza really fast with. And I can just throw all the ingredients on it and throw it in the oven, and it takes like 15 minutes total. So we go to that when we're like, all right, we got like 30 minutes to change into our sports uniforms, eat something really quick and get out the door. That's like one of the things we'll just throw together really quickly. And since I can't have wheat, I'll just use these gluten-free crusts. These are great. This one's the sourdough, and I really like to get sourdough when I can. Sometimes I thought for some reason they had dairy in them, and then I went back and checked and they don't. So I got me some of this crust, basically to make a gluten-free version of the same thing. So my kids can have theirs from Trader Joe's, and then I can have this. And then I'll use vegan cheese. I'm so excited that Costco is selling vegan cheddar shredded cheese now, because I'll just put that on it. I don't like a lot of cheese on anything anyways. So these are one of my staple cereals. If I do eat cereal, I don't eat cereal very often, but if I do, I will eat this one. It's really good. It doesn't have any of the flours I can't have, and it's gluten-free, and it's got corn, rice, quinoa, flax, buckwheat, and amaranth in it. And it's all organic. So I like to try it. If I'm gonna eat corn and things, I try to do organic. So yeah, this one, super, super good. Tastes really good. I also got some applesauce pouches. I usually just buy a pack of them from either Sam's Club or Costco or wherever I'm at. But whenever I do put in a Thrive order, I'll just go ahead and usually order some of these because their applesauce is really good too. My kids take those for lunches, or my 3-year-olds will just have them as snacks. I also got some organic cornstarch. When I make homemade Hatch's green chili for like our burritos and things, and so sometimes I will use cornstarch to thicken it, or sometimes I'll use some cornstarch if I don't want to use a lot of the potato starch in my own flour blend. I will use this, and so I like to get, like I said, organic corn products if I am going to have corn. So I got some of that. And what else? I got some, I've never had these before. These are the char honey grams. All the char stuff on Thrive was on sale. So I bought myself some little, we do s'mores out back and stuff, and so I'm getting really excited for s'mores season, having marshmallows sitting outside the campfire, and we want to do some camping trips. And so I wanted to get something for me that I'd be able to have My dad is also gluten-free, so I'm like, we will not miss out. We can have our own s'mores, so that'll be really fun. Not that we eat a lot of s'mores anyways, but you never know. So last but not least, let me just make sure. Last but not least, I did buy some of these own dark chocolate protein shakes. I actually do buy the protein powder already. Let's see here. I have the vanilla one, and then I also do have the chocolate one. I don't know if you can see that far. This is actually, I'm pretty sure, just made with water and the protein powder. So if I'm just like, hey, I need protein, I need to go running back and forth from the gym or whatever I'm doing, and I figured I would just have those in there to just grab when I need to, because Slady needs some protein. I have a really hard time getting protein. So I just get busy, and then I either snack on something like popcorn or something that I shouldn't, or I'll eat a really quick lunch. And I do like a lot of salads, but in a salad you can only have so much protein, you know what I mean? So I got some of these so that I can have for that. So that is basically it. This is kind of a mess right here, but that is what I got from Thrive. If there's any favorites that you have from Thrive, let me know, because I just started ordering from it not too long ago. So I'm sure there are lots of things that I don't know about that you guys need to tell me. So let me know in the comments below. If there is any videos that you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments below as well. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any more upcoming videos. I will do my best to list all the things that I bought from Thrive down below. So I hope you have a beautiful day. Until next time, bye.